Diego, today is International Day of Women and Girls in Science, a day dedicated to promoting the full and equal access and participation of women in STEAM fields. So here now to share more about the importance of the day and how they're sharing the love of STEAM with the next generation is Sarah Hillard, a teacher at Millennial Tech Middle School, and Adrienne White from RoboLink. We're going to explain all of this in just a moment here with some in-studio demonstrators here with our drones. But I guess, Sarah, I'll start with you. Tell us a little bit about Millennial Tech Middle School and this idea of promoting women in STEAM.
Well, yes, we've been partnering with the City of San Diego Parks and Rec to help host drone competitions here in San Diego for 5 schools in our area. And this is really our second year participating in drone competitions, and we're really excited to have a whole drone class dedicated to it. And the kids learn about careers in drones, how to repair drones, a lot of critical thinking, problem solving. All of that is going on.
Now, is this a magnet school?
No,
just
this is the local
regular public high school, but there's a big focus on STEAM.
Yes, we're actually a middle school, and it's we're lucky to be to focus on 3D printing and robotics and the drone program. We also have a great media arts program. We feed into Lincoln High School, so that's where the kids usually go when they're done with us.
Fantastic. Yeah. Now, Adrienne, tell us what RoboLink is first and how it's connected to this program.
Sure. So we're the creators of Co-Drone EDU. It's a STEM drone used in classrooms and competitions, like this competition Sarah's students are participating in. And we are partners of the Robotics Education and Competition Foundation, the REC Foundation. They organize these national competitions that culminate really in June with championships, and we're just really proud to support the whole program.
And so basically, I assume the competitions are focused on how you code your drone and how well it follows directions for coding.
Exactly. You can think of it like esports for building STEM skills. So these girls are learning how to code, they're learning computer science, but they're also learning to collaborate, work as a team, communicate and create flight logs. All of that is included.
Fantastic. So, Sarah, Thursday is a competition, and is this one just for the ladies?
No, there'll be teams from all ages and all of the elementary schools and middle schools that have been participating with us this year are going to be in the competition on Thursday.
And where is that taking place? And I understand anyone can go and watch.
Yes, absolutely. It's going to be at the Mountain View Rec Center. Okay. We're going to be from about 9 to about 1. It'd be great to have anyone come by and see how the kids fly the drones, but we're really excited about it.
For the elementary school students as well to see what you can get involved with and what you're able to do.
Absolutely. They're just at the early stages, and then when they get to middle school, they really take on a lot of the responsibility of repairing the drones and coding the drones and a lot of the problem solving, so we're really proud of them.
It's so mind-blowing for us because, you know, this wasn't even a thing. Okay. We have some in-studio demonstrators. Ladies, if you could introduce us by name, starting left to right, then let us.
Yes, we have Essence here, and we have Sophia, and we have Kaya. They're here from Millennial Tech Middle School, and they brought their drones just to kind of do a little demonstration.
Okay, well, ladies, take it away. Let's see what you got here. Now, are they both controlling, Sarah, or how does this work?
Right now, Sophia is flying the drone.
She's flying her drone. Okay.
Yes, and the other ones are looking out for sort of safety. They're her aerial support, so they're just checking to make sure that
they're air traffic control.
That's right. That's
an important skill.
I know.
And students in grades 5 and up can really fly these drones 3 different ways. They can pilot with the control. They can also program the drone with Blockly, a block-based programming language, great for beginning coders, or Python, a text-based programming language that's more advanced.
That's fantastic. Okay, does our other drone want to get in there? Can you have 2 flying at the same time?
You certainly can. I think for today in the studio, we're just going to fly 1.
I've got it. Okay. Explain sort of the mechanics of the drone, what they're capable of doing?
Well, they're capable of aerial flips. It has 7 different sensors.
Sophia, you got a flip in you?
Including a color sensor.
Oh,
so
okay.
there's different challenges during different years of the aerial drone competition, but you could be looking for certain colored landing pads, and the drone can detect that. There's a bottom range sensor and a front range sensor, a gyroscope, accelerometer, and barometer.
Well, it is. It is very cool to watch. So
Yeah.
Sarah, if people want to learn more about the competitions coming up where they can go watch, where can they go?
Well, I would recommend that they go to the REC Foundation's website.
Okay.
The aerial drone competition has just everything from the game for this season and so many other places that they can find out more information about that.
And that website is recf.org.
recf.org.
Educators and parents who are interested can also visit RoboLink, our website, to learn more. We have resources for teachers to find private and federal grants to bring STEM drone programs to their schools, and of course the drones for sale as well.
Well, this is where we're headed, so I mean, it is fantastic. These girls are getting some great experience. I still need to see a flip, though. Essence, you got a flip in you?
When you flip it?
Oh, she's looking at me like, no, I can't do that. Wasn't programmed for a flip this morning. It's probably good in here, right? Thank you, ladies, so much. Excellent job. And thank you, ladies. Fantastic. This is wonderful. So there's the RoboLink website for you. And be sure to celebrate women and girls in science today.